Madam, wetin dey inside that bag? Eh? Na baby. Who put that baby inside there?
Who beat you?
Now you put am.
Somebody beat her.
You put am carry dey go where? You dey go give your auntie. Abeg remove that pikin for inside that bag. Remove that pikin for inside that bag. Remove that pikin for inside that bag. Remove that pikin. Madam, now person, this pikin is still there alive. You still there alive, and you put her inside bag. I take pass all those. I take pass. You even this one, the pikin there too. I remove her for inside bag. Remove her for inside bag. Remove her for inside bag. Remove her. Remove her for inside bag. 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 Where una dey go? Where una dey go? Where you dey go? You dey go Lagos? Eh? With that baby, remove that baby for bag. Remove that baby for bag. Remove that baby for bag. Where the mother dey? Where the mother dey? Where the mother dey for village? Eh? The mother dey for village. So where una carry a pikin dey go? Una dey carry am dey go Lagos. Una go sell am for Lagos. Make you go sell am for Lagos. Okay. Who na wan go sell am to? Who na wan go sell am to? The auntie for Lagos. Okay. Now, what be your name?
Don't provoke me for that.
What be your name? Eh? You say? Glory. Okay. Madam, you are carrying two innocent twins, put them for bag. They go sell them for Lagos. You are carrying two innocent twins, put for bag. They go sell them for Lagos. Okay. This is happening in Ebonyi State in Abomege Omege Station. It's happening live. Where two women carry twins of baby, put her inside sack bag. They go sell for Lagos. They go sell them for Lagos. Now they don't vigilante for Abomege. Don't catch them. And now they dey for Abomege Junction presently. Now I wonder how they take back all this security checkpoint. All this security checkpoint for Abomege. We have 4 checkpoints here in Abomege, and these women carry these twins, put them for bag, for sack bag. They carry they go Lagos before vigilante of Abomege now intercepted them. Presently now, they're there for Abomege Junction. Where people they interview them, and they're trying to know where. They're trying to know where. Thank you.